Sorry about that. There's bloody things everywhere.
None shall pass.
Back off, Helmet Head. We're here on official business.
Cool thine jets, lads. That is Heimdall, noisy next-door neighbor of Thor. And a friend. Let me do the talking.
Thor, Odin's great hall is besieged. We're overrun by frost giants. I have not seen the like since Odin gave them a...
I bear a grim message from thy father, Odin. He calls you home. Asgard is under siege.
Fare thee well, James Foster.
The frost giants march for Odin's palace. With the Odin sleep nearly upon him, our king is weakened. I would join you in battle, but I am sworn to forever protect the Bifrost.
Leave this to me. Good Heimdall.
You're not dressed warmly enough.
I'm sorry.
Do you think that you can deceive me?
You must be mistaken.
Enough! Heimdall, may we pass?
Never has an enemy slipped my watch until...
Your favorite son has returned!
Apologies, All-Father. I have an important message for the Odinson.
To risk Odin's roar, it must be. Speak, Heimdall.
For just a moment, Midgard disappeared from my all-seeing gaze. Something is wrong on Earth.
I'd rather go with your blessing.
You do not belong in that world, Thor. One day humanity will disappoint you with...
Dark Elf King scours the 9 realms for dark energy to power his spells, to conquer new worlds with. The Earth incursion is only the beginning.
What is it? The sword! Move! Heimdall!
What happened?
Heimdall, we need your help with a matter of grave importance.
I know why you're here. It is a risk, but if it is your wish, I will escort the stones into safekeeping.
Is it him? Is that the first son of Odin?
Heimdall, your eyes.
Oh, they see everything. They see you leading us to hell. Wake up!
I can still save you.
We are all dead. Can you not see it?
You mortals are not welcome here!
So, had enough yet? I'll take that as a no. Grab his shield!
Asgard. She's here.
What have I done?
You saved us from extinction. Asgard is not a place.
Let us stand together now in glorious battle.
Is this the kind of glorious battle where we all get taken over by symbiotes?
Your treachery grieves me sorely. It will be eons before you again see the sun. Heimdall, as ever you serve well and truly.
There was an idea to bring together a group of remarkable people.
To see if we could become something more.
So when they needed us, we could fight the battles
That they never could.